morning, guys. My name is Amaka. Please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, click on the notification bell for more videos. So today I want to try out to see the difference between pancake made in fry pan and a baked pancake. So over here is what we're using. We're using the Auntie Jemima complete pancake flour,
with no strings
and we're using 1 cup of milk.
I'm happy in your company with no emotion,
and this
deserves to be free.
The pancake flour
I never
already
wanna
measured
look at a house in the
1 cup.
garden. I never
And
wanna
here's
lock
banana,
you
we're using
down.
banana.
I
And
know
here's
you're
our
not
oil,
mine,
a
it's just
vegetable
my
oil.
turn, but we can
So
still
let's dive
have
right
fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around.
So we're going to
Fully
spread
aware this is a flash in the
little
pan,
oil
but we can still have fun
on the
for
baking
now.
pan.
So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden.
So now this will go to the oven.
Lock you
To
down.
be the oven for 25 minutes.
Mine, it's just
Then we
my
can check it
turn.
out.
We can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
So here's the pancake from the oven. Oh, this looks nice. It looks nice. It also looks like a baked. It also looks like cake. It looks nice. Wow, I never knew this would turn out nice. It tastes nice. Wow. I prefer the pancake from the oven because this one tastes like baked cake. This tastes like cake, and while this is the regular pancake. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and click on the notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching, and bye.